Alright, so wait. Like so. Let's take Harold with us. Like so. Hello everybody.
Lucas, I sent you a video.
Sent me a video. Do I dare to watch it?
Yeah, I want you to watch it on stream. I want your reaction to it.
Okay, wait. Hello, Pig and Alperovski. I hope I say that correct.
What did you say?
Alperovski. I hope I said it correctly.
Oh, okay.
I forgot my STR vector. Oh no, hello world. Harold, look what we have done. Pig is now cursed.
STR?
Hell yeah. I hate Arch. My hyperlink will delete itself. Oh no, I don't have TG.
Damn,
Oh, no.
you know, there's a pretty easy solution. It's a tuple.
Oh my god, shut up. Fuck you.
The tuples will solve it all.
Oh my god. Okay, everybody.
That's right, a tuple.
We're gonna see what
the video
Harold has sent us.
Yeah, the video is so banger.
I just installed Peak because I have promised some people that I will play it. So
don't do it.
I have to. I have made a promise and I'm a man of my word. Is this a rickroll? I swear if. Oh, what the fuck?
No. Just trust me, bro. Just watch it. Top 10 most successful communist country.
It's just thanks for watching.
Yeah, that's all it was.
Bruh.
That's a great start to a video, I think. You should have that in the beginning, but it's a top 10 successful Lucas project.
Let me quickly do one thing. Oh, I forgot one thing that I cannot. Oh, look that! There's someone on a kick.
Wow, a bot?
It's Christian Live, who's over at Kick.
Wow, he sounds like he's live.
I bet your ass he is. Alright.
Yeah, he must be A-live.
A-live. For real, on God. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, I call it.
Oh, what do we have here? A tuple terminal.
Oh my, shut your... Hey, actually, I have kind of come to the realization that having the whole file path to the hardware might not be the way to display things. So, where did I change the...
You don't think?
I
don't know, man.
Is it on my Porsche? Where is the on my Porsche located?
Yeah, probably... I don't know. Bro, like, I don't even have on my Porsche. Like, I just made my own shit.
Damn. Crap.
You want it? I can send it to you.
No. I want to find all my Porsche. Find dash name. Oh dash from here. How do I... Is it find from here? Okay.
Okay, so I sent you something.
Where do I have it located? There's some... How the fuck does it find... Oh, there's on my push, but that's in cache. That's not where I want it to be. Maybe I have it in source.
Oh, my Porsche is actual bloatware. Vaporware.
Ah, there it is. Let's see. Oh, don't fuck everything. That's not good.
Oh my Porsche.
I don't even remember. Was it like it was pretty low down? Plain template, merge icon, alignment segments. Here. So we have the shell. We have the properties, type, name, plane. Where do I show that there's like supposed to be the extra stuff?
Vibe it.
Bro, I don't wanna wipe this. Ah, here, path. It has to be this one, right? So what if I just go a little bit of trollolol? How do you comment something in this thing? How do you comment in JSON?
You don't. Jason doesn't have comments.
What the fuck? So I actually have to remove them? Bro.
Yeah, welcome to Jason. This is why I don't like Jason. Bro really did PWD after he opened his terminal.
Hey! I'm not the... No, okay, this is not how I get rid of the... Wait, but I didn't save anything. I didn't delete them. Bruh, I'm stupid. What the fuck happened?
Yeah, when to comma, empty comma, the comma after is the yeah. Jason does not like that.
Yeah, okay, but now it doesn't say at all where I'm at.
Wow, that's so much better. You just have to do PWD whenever you want to know.
But that I do it either way.
Not too bad.
Okay, I guess we can
Bro,
kind of
look
like...
at the thing I sent you.
What if I just do that?
Like, oh my Porsche is bad.
Shut.
Remove that shit.
Shut.
It's true.
But now I still have the whole damn path. Fuck Christ.
Damn.
What if I just do this?
Damn.
I now have the extra comma here again somewhere. Fuck. No, that there is supposed to be. Okay. But now there's nothing. Ah. So I need something to... Do I need to vibe this shit for real? I don't want to vibe this shit. Maybe it's just something else. This is not what I'm supposed to be working on, but I need to. I guess I could start Claude, right? I could let Claude figure shit out for me.
Payments $3 are really getting to work.
Yeah, for real, bro. Let's start another one. CD source. And here, oh my gosh, S. Let's do a Claude in here. Do you trust the files folder? Yes. There's an update. I don't want an update right now. Can you help move the full path displayed as my...
Here's a vibe coder and a vibe configure.
Shut up.
Go figure.
Shit. Shush.
Yeah.
I'm just...
Nah.
I just need to figure out how to do this.
Look at what I sent you. Look at what I sent you on Discord. That's my oh my Porsche.
Nah. That's actually pretty good.
You don't like it? Yeah. And then I have my branch, so I can see it, you know.
Oh, so you just have to do... Not properties, wait. Properties here. No, wait. Mixed. But from where is it? Is it from here? How am I supposed to know what it's referred? Okay, I guess here. No, because there's other things that also have this. But yeah, okay. Do that. Okay. CD config. Okay, good. Now I can do PBD to know the full path. Yeah. Good. Thank you so much. And then we can close that. And then we can just... Is it just source? Bash. Just put source. I'm just gonna do it like so. Doesn't really matter. It's the same thing, it's just 2 layers, but it's fine. wonder, does it work if I quit this one? Or exit this? Ah, no, that one still uses the old. Okay. That's fine. We don't really care. We'll just continue from here. I rebooted and Arch deleted itself. I'm going, alright. That's pretty of a yikes. So, now we can continue. Oh my god, I always type guide, but then it's like never the thing that I need. Alright, so I already know a little bit more on the stuff. And I mean, I guess it makes sense. But how the fuck is deleted itself? Well, it can delete itself in many ways. Or it doesn't. It's you kind of like I kind of destroyed my arch. Or not even the arch, I destroyed the boot because I changed some partitioning on Windows and that fucked up where the boot was an arch. Okay, actually the arch the partition was also got fucked. But it was pretty simple to just fix it because I just changed it from where it started and it was back to working. Yeah. Anyways, I guess we would replicate this, so we will have init, which is kind of interesting. I don't understand why we call in full ratio in the beginning. Or is this allocate makes sense? But I don't understand about the init. Because then you just allocate the thing. I'm a bit unsure still, like, I feel like I just have one pool. Why would I have a dynamic scaling? Okay, whatever. Descriptor set, then there's an allocate for this is basically the init, but then I would change this to be kind of like a... It would work. You would kind of like have a structure that keeps track of all of these things. I'm just gonna use KDA Plasma, not Hyperland. I don't wanna fuck the next 2 days. Okay.
KDE. No,
KDE.
don't do it. Don't turn to the worst side. Like, no, it's actually worse. Okay, you know what? Don't turn to any A side.
I tried KDA, bruh, KDE, but I didn't like it. It was too Windows-like.
KDE. Yeah, no. Yeah, it is like Windows and it sucks. It's awful. And also, the thing I hate the most is that it's stupid as it is literally like Windows. It looks like Windows. It behaves like Windows. Like if you try to uninstall the calculator, it will be like, you know what? The calculator actually has the entire KDE as its dependency. So, whoopsie daisy. Now you don't have anything to render.
Get pool, and that will somehow just return the descriptor pool, but from what kind of, just any pool? Like this is so weird how they have the setup and set pool. Like why would you, why get pool, new pool size is not 0. If it is 0, then they will just create a new pool. Ratio, set pool, new pool, and then else they would just here new pool. Maybe it's just the way they're creating it. I feel like it's freaking weird. Harold thinking, bruh. I mean, I agree with Harold in this. I haven't used KDE as much as him probably, but I don't like it still. I used it for a day and I didn't like it maybe 2.
You know, I used KDE for like 2 days. So I don't know.
Exactly.
Yeah, and GNOME is just like an iPad, so don't use any of them.
Get pool, but why is there create pool if this one also creates a pool? Wait. Pool size. And then for each pool ratios, they pass in ratios. What are ratios? Those things, an STD vector, bro. trying to connect the dots here, but this doesn't, like, it's... Okay. And then they create the pool, they push back. The pool sizes, oh my god. Pool sizes, what are pool sizes? Are they coming in as a parameter? Where are they from? Pool sizes, So they have another vector which pushes back for each of these ones. Ugh, bro. No fucking way. And then set count's coming in from there, set count. This is so weird, like, the values are going all over the place. Sets per pool. Set count. There, it's the middle parameter. That's just sets per pool. Sets per pool comes in from where? A fucking OOB, I swear. Sets per pool is just stored as a member variable. Alright, great. Okay. Go program PigOS, it's really nice. He says he wanna use KDA so he can just be fast and don't have to fuck around with configs.
Yeah, it ain't worth it, man. Use Cosmic or something. Cosmic is pretty good because it's not bloated like KDE, it's not shit like GNOME, and there's not that much config. That's why I like it.
Cosmic was pretty
Because
nice.
I don't want to do config either. I don't.
But Cosmic didn't work for
it
my
is nice, but
OBS.
the thing is, it is in beta.
Yeah, that's the only problem.
Yeah, it is in beta. So, yeah.
And then I multiply by set count, and then... Okay, I mean, it's not too crazy, but it's a little bit crazy. And then in the init, what do they do? For some reason they clear the ratios. R pool ratios, pushback, or, but wait, what the fuck? Why would they... Pool ratios, oh, they come in there, and then they push back to the ratios. New pool, create pool, device, pool ratios, so they pass in the STD vector to the create pool.
Hello,
What's
Damon.
up, Damon?
Long time no see.
Yeah, I
Create
was
pool
waiting
gets
all.
pool ratios in
Oh.
here. Push back out to the
Yeah.
push sides.
Mm.
I feel like they are
Drive my
just...
stepmom, but then I stopped at Walmart. Hey, I'm telling my
That's it.
journey.
Oh,
Why didn't you have me?
the journey.
This
That
is my
journey
live stream, my TED Talk,
my TED Talk.
my podcast.
My money.
No, it's all right. I'm here now. Don't you guys fret. I'm here.
Oh,
That's
okay.
good. That's good.
Good.
This is descriptor pool. Reset descriptor pool. I'm still a bit confused about this whole thing, but sure, why not? And because it feels like they're just creating this complexity on top of the thing that I'm thinking that is way too overcomplicated for what we need to do. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I am. I think probably this is wrong.
Probably.
Yes. Allocate. Didn't you already have the allocate? No.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. That's the best sentence ever. Then the descriptor right, but this thing makes sense. Except for they do this now. What the fuck? Why would you do this?
Damn, I got new internet yesterday.
Yo, that's crazy.
Yeah, we replaced the modem
I see.
or the router.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we shouldn't lag on Valheim. You ready to jump in?
Well, I only got like 1.5 hours. No. I got a programming. It's my daily dose of force programming. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yo.
Damn, let's make our own muck and then
Our
play
own
it.
Mac. Right.
Let's stop messing with this low level. Let's get some fun going here. Let's game it up.
This is gonna get to basically creating, well, that, but...
Nah.
I can't wait! I want it now!
That's gay.
What?
Alright.
Just
So you just straight to the point. Okay.
Damn, you got like a little brother, Harold?
Nope, only big ones.
Damn, you're the littlest one. Oh, so
Yeah.
that's you then. You're like, I want it now.
Yeah, exactly, man. Yeah, how did you know, man?
Once again, what the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, but is there any reference to any of the, like, this is so weird how they write buffer, they need to what the fuck, they just... Okay, I guess I can implement it the same cursed way that they do this, and then when we start using it I will be like, what the fuck? And then stop doing it the way they're doing it. That's probably what's gonna happen. Delete queue, descriptor allocator growable. Oh. So now they put for each
Damn, you
frame data
got
they add
your
the
face
structure.
just constantly in this Vulkan guide. Just like, I need Vulkan. I need it now!
Yeah.
He always needs it.
This makes sense. Okay, so they have like descriptor allocator growable. So they kind of take this, and I would also probably name it descriptor allocator growable. It feels like a bit
That's
too...
C or CPP?
This is CPP.
That's... Yeah, I thought I was gonna say, it looks pretty...
Well, I guess this is
object-like.
still C in a sense, but you could do the same in C. Well, I guess, don't you need type def in C? Does C++ actually allow you to just do it straight like this?
Yeah,
Huh. The fuck? Okay.
it does, it does.
Okay. Well,
It allows you to do basically what the hell you want.
structure.
Well,
now
except I make something good.
Let's initialize it when we initialize swaption and create this struct. Add this to the end of the init descriptors. Frame overlap descriptor allocate growable descriptor straight storage image buffer combined image sampler frame descriptor. Okay, so now they do. Okay, wait, this is still shared. Wait, no, what the fuck? Hold on. Because now you go through each frame, and then frame descriptors. Okay, and then they just descript. Oh my god, that's so misleading. But okay. And then frame descriptor init device frame sizes. Frame sizes. Just create a new thing and put it in there, and then main. Oh my god, this is. It's like going. I mean, I guess. Sure. I guess it would work, yes. And then. This is just for deletion. I don't like it to do like that, but they do it like that. And that's just clearing, and then, well, then it's. Then these things just comes after this is implemented, kind of. Okay, well now they're kind of moving to the place where I'd like to have it, is for each frame to have their own kind of like. But then another thing that is kind of like for readable descriptors that are not modifiable, like that are not mutatable. You don't really need a individual like for example, a texture, you can just reuse the same descriptor set for all of the frames. You don't need a new one, I think. Like, why would you want that? You just read from
Or
the same.
can you? Or do you?
And that's what we kind of... Wait, is that what we would do here? I think that's what we... Yeah, because now we have per frame data would have this. Which is not bad. But I don't know if it's good either. Like, we could just literally just do it hard-coded in here and just say that this is gonna be it. Right? We will...
I don't know. Just don't tread about the what ifs too much.
You know,
You'll
I'm
be able
just
to,
trying
like,
to
solve
understand the
those issues
logic.
arise.
I think in order to make this actually comprehensible, I will... You know? I will... Also, I don't like to call it descriptor anymore if it's gonna be like this thing. I'm actually gonna call it this Planetary Zigma. That's what I'm gonna call it. Great, I actually called it. We're gonna call it this, what they have called it. But I'm not sure if I want the descriptor allocator growable. Sure, actually.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
We'll keep it that.
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good.
But that's it. Alright, then I will take all of these things away from here, like so, and we'll take in the std import. We also need the const vk at import and just vulkan.sig. We should be pretty good to go from there. I guess you can also do you can keep it inside pub const, because nothing else really need to know about it except for that thing, I think. Yeah. But this is already the thing. I'm stupid now. Alright. And then we'll just take... We already got that. Gonna take these. Pretty much just reuse them, but in a better way. So we're gonna do pub init. And it's pretty much gonna be the same stuff. We're just gonna redo a lot of these. So we're gonna take in the device, but it's gonna be a vk.device because that's what we use. Initial sets, sure, u32. Span, that's basically a tuple. See, I said it correctly.
A tuple.
Or is it just a std vector? I think wasn't the span supposed to be like you have the vector and then something associated with that vector? That's how I remember it. I'm not sure, to be honest.
I don't know.
Spaben.
I've never used span.
I've used it once. That's why I have a vague memory of it. Bro, let me get here. Class level span describes an object that can refer to a continuous sequence of objects with its first element of the sequence at point position 0. A span can either have a static extent in which they... Let's see, do they have any examples? Could actually just use it, but okay, so they create an interarray, 2 interarrays, and then with 6. What does this mean? Is it also just an array with a 6 in it? Offset plus plus for if print and then else break from the loop. Okay, so if width is not empty, row slide. What's a slide? They just create. Oh my god. That's okay. Where's there it is. So template class and then there's the extent. Okay, maybe it's just a vector. I could see it as a vector. I can probably see it as a vector. Same as that, basically. Okay, so we'll have the init and I will just, this will be a we'll just call it an array of full ratios. We have to give it a little bit of a different bro, I'm stupid. And size ratios, full ratio twice initial sets, full ratios. I will get to it. Bam. But this should be fine. Okay, it's just something I got wrong somewhere. Don't know where. Anyways, then we'll have clear pools. And we'll also use a... Wait, let me see, where do we have? No. Wait. Okay. How I delete my arch, bruh? Happens. Chill, bro, you will fix it. Alright. Clear pools, and we'll take in the device. Data device, like so. Void for now. And then we'll have the destroy pools. Allocate. And then a void pointer p next. Okay, I guess we can just do that as well. So, and these will just be functions. Function. Get pool and function. Back. And then here again, it's the wait, no, I'm doing the wrong way. No, this is correct. I'm just doing this. Yeah, that's fine. Look at that. Alright, see ya, pig.
Let's see.
So pig has died. And then
Sure
descriptor allocate growable, get pool. So apparently this is what we'll do. I'm just gonna put it there and I will figure out why this is like, for me it just looks stupid right now, to be honest. But if stupid is best I can do, then I will do stupid. This also has to change a little bit. Any reference to this actually needs to be vk.c, this thing. Alright. Of course I fucked up. Like so. And then we're gonna take this. And we're gonna call it var. Bro, how stupid can I be? Is equal to undefined, like so. And then ready pools. Right, I use this. And we don't have that. We just have ready pools len. That should be right, but then we need access to this. Key bindings. I'm pressing the wrong keys. I'm changing the color of my keyboard. Self at this capital T should be a pointer. It should be a pointer to this. Why is this not fine? Well, how about that? Did I put it in the wrong? I had to put it in the wrong spot. Lol. We probably will need it anyways in that as well, but for now we'll just roll with it. Fuck me. What's wrong about that? Okay, I don't know what's the difference between those. Oh yeah, I didn't have the parentheses. Lol. And then we can do self that, and we'll have access to it, and then self this, and self this. Okay. And then I wonder what they have. Push. What are they? Self slice, init capacity, init buffer D, init manage from owner. I guess I cannot use insert button add many. Insert slice, replace, range, replace, assume, replace, append, order, swap, remove, append, print, append. Is there any like pop? Clear, sure. I mean, I could change that one. Doesn't look like I probably will have to do a change the structure or data type. Maybe I should just go with a cube because I need access to a pop back, and I don't think I have that in here. The Radius doesn't have a concept of like kind of like a pop back. I have to use a DQ or Q.
No. Yeah, use a DQ.
Yeah. Or a Q should, if I don't need pop front, a Q should be enough, right? I will just go with a Q. For ready pools.
I guess that works.
Wait. Isn't, or is it just, there is only DQ, there is no such thing as Q. Ah, okay.
Yeah, no, there's just DQ.
Not too bad, I guess. I'll just have to go with DQ then.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
What do they have? Do they have pushback or pop back or something? What do they have? Pop front, pop back. I'm gonna make the assumptions that that's the same thing as what I'm trying to do. Oh wait, back. Well, pop back and back, shouldn't that just... Why would you... Doesn't that just return? Doesn't pop back also automatically just return?
That's not a real function.
Oops.
And yes, it does return. Yes.
Why can I not? Isn't it just pop back?
You're not a real function. Wait,
Shut
what?
the fuck up.
I probably did something.
Hey, yo!
Self.
Let's go.
This one should return. Removes and return the last item in the DQ or null. Yeah, so it's gonna return that, and I don't need to do this twice because it's kind of like
or null. Or null, it can be optional.
Yeah, whatever. Alright. Now we'll look at this. Create pool. Wait, what the fuck? Why is it called like this? Okay, create pool. Damon is sending something in the... I need more tea.
Not enough. Oh, dude, it's Ben. You got him to load in.
Ben?
Damn. Bang, bang, bang. Damn, is the Unity overlay like broken? Where?
He's sending more stuff in the chat. What the fuck? Damon, you crazy son of a bitch.
I'm trying to. I'm trying to get in there, but I think it's fucking broken. Like, ugh.
What? It's broken.
But it says hello. The guy, I see him saying hello world.
Ah, that thing. It's frozen. Yes. Let me just restart it.
No, it's not frozen.
Okay, I don't know. I restarted
Like
it.
it's like he's spamming hello world like when he's supposed to.
Oops, that's the wrong thing. Wait, where's the... Wait, I don't even know where that thing is in the... I need to organize my shit better. There. Bam.
That's not a bad idea.
And now nobody's taking... Are people
now
taking damage? Are you invincible? You're taking damage. Good, good, good.
Oh, dude, all of a sudden everyone's fucking jamming each other. Oh.
Yeah.
Like all of a sudden it just went like, bam, big battle royale. Look at them all.
Big battle
swinging at each
royale.
other.
Let's go.
Damn, they're just ganging up on the guy in the middle, man. Like he's just like slowly fading out of existence. Who is that? It's I don't know. Me and some other guy. Okay, now it's come on, me. Get him. No. I think he's cheating. He's cheating, Lucas.
I swear to God, he's cheating. Cheetah.
Come on.
Okay, so that's still like self.
Dude, what has he got for a weapon? It's a torch. It's the fucking torch he's got.
Fucking torch.
See my guy. Dude, it's Pig. Pig is kicking my.
Device. Wait,
Yeah,
why
he's
are we
cheating.
taking the device here, but not... I put it in the wrong place. Put it in the allocate. This is in... No, wait, this is good. Ah, no, it's good. Bro, why is there like... Oh yeah, it's the banger music. Let me fix that real quick. Bam. Okay, so... Okay, let's see how that goes. So then we have the crate pool, which will be this. Wait, new pool. That's a bit of a misleading name. Why would I do Hold on, what the fuck am I doing? Yeah, there's no cell. And then this
Dude,
will
he's
also
like invincible.
like so. And then we have crate pool next this thing. So the private functions first. Okay, so then here they create pool sizes with pool sizes. I think I should probably use a DQ again over here. We have to pass in an allocator most likely in this case. Because somehow I need to be able to allocate stuff here. Or I could just make it static. But that would kind of be dumb. So I will have to take in an allocator. Yeah. You're gonna take self and then also an allocator.
Oh, you're done now. Oh, he's cooked. He's cooked. He's cooked. Nice. Nice. Dude, I got the glorious spawn. I got the heavy hitting hammer.
You got the heavy hitting.
Double.
Pool sizes. I'm gonna go pool sizes. And And then VK descriptor pool size.
Yeah, you're cooked, bro. You're cooked. Yeah, you're cooked.
Let me join the fight. Hello world.
Hey, hey, hey!
I'm gonna join 2 times.
No dev admin powers. No! No! Oh, dude, you landed like on my head. Like, dude, dude, you're beating, you're bashing. I can't attack. You're like bash. Dude, what was that?
Easy peasy.
Dude, what was that? You like literally landed on my head, so my guy's arm was like in the ground, and you were just like bonking my head while my guy couldn't hit you. He was just swinging.
Like, I'm just. Oh!
I'm coming back in here in a second.
Are you though? Are you
just
though?
wait, you guys. Yeah, I am.
I don't think you
just
are.
wait for. Oh no, I'm here. Yeah. Come on, me. No! No!
Nice.
Damn.
Let's see. I'm gonna try to think this through now, because now I'm actually gonna have to do this.
Like,
Oops. Oh, there's just 5 of them. Good. Pool underscore sizes, like so. What does it complain about? Expect, yeah, okay, that's true. But we might change. No, that we're not actually gonna. Yes. And yeah, that makes sense now. Man. We might have already allocated. Pool ratios. Is this a member variable? No, it's something that comes in. Okay, something that comes in. Great. Self. And it's from the self also. Oh my god. These things, like the way they do stuff is so weird. Well, I guess it will make sense, right? Right? So we'll get an array here of these things. So then we'll have to go for each of this.
Oh yeah, look at that. Dude, I'm like standing on pig's legs.
4. What did they call it? This ratio. That items. Wait, I don't have it. I just have this. Okay. Whatever. Fuck. My head hurts. Okay.
I don't know. I'm having fun with this live stream thing.
That's great. It's great. Let's see. Push. I'm gonna see what do we have on push. We have push front. Do we have a push? Push back. We do have a push back. And this doesn't make sense. You can't just do that. You have to do it slightly differently. You have to allocate the thing and then we can push it. Depends on what we do with this. Yep. To owner. Pool sizes. Okay, it's pool sizes. Well, then I guess we could do it. Then it works. So then we can actually. I'm gonna get to it when it starts to complain about it, because I know it's gonna complain about it. Do we need this for anything? We need this. Okay, so we're gonna have to do it to a bar. VKC. Bam. Take it out. It's there. Bam. 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 And then we go here. VK.C and this. That should be fine. Right, that's the issue. Can I please? Like so. And then here, size, yeah, we don't keep that. We're gonna go full sizes that len. And this is just the data. .ptr. Am I stupid? Hold on. Right. Items. Integrating. Do we have? Head buffer. descriptor pool. It has to be var. So, and now this thing, good. You can take it down, you can comment it out even. And I'm just gonna do a like this, and then here, basically I know that's gonna be a. Why the fuck would it do that? I thought it would understand. I want to push back this, but okay, this might be a bad assumption. I'm not sure. Wait, I'm just gonna say descriptor pool sizes. Wait, descriptor pool sizes. But now we're pushing back this pool size ratio descriptor type. Ratio type, descriptor count. That's just a ratio. Okay, whatever. I guess we'll create this thing. Pool size. This thing is equal to, and then descriptor count. That will be ratio dot ratio. What the? Okay. And then type, let's move them around a little bit. Ratio dot ratio descriptor type. And so, and then we'll just push back this thing. Full size. Local is never mutated. Okay, we might, but might. I don't know, bro. Set count. Set count. Where is it coming from? It just comes in as a parameter. And then this is bk.secret. Probably should be a check. So a try check. bk check. And yeah, you won't know what a null PTR is. That's fine. Just do a null. And what else? Yes, the allocator here. Init. I do not know how big it's gonna be. Do I know how? I do know how big it's gonna. In capacity.
Oh, you know how big it's gonna be.
No, I will know.
Yeah.
Max set. No. It will be the pool. Pool ratios, which should also get renamed then. So now we'll have precisely the amount, and we can just push back. And I don't know why self wouldn't be fine, but is it because it's the pointer? I have no idea. Self is never used, that's why. Do we actually need self here? Because it returns it here, so again, then it's also internal use, so it's kind of weird, but I guess we'll go with it. Then we have the init. Let's take care of that one. Bam. There's gonna be so many things I need to actually figure out here, but it's gonna work. And it's also, I kind of like the idea of putting in this for each image, because that's what I wanted since I read the first thing. I was like, wait, why do we not have this for each image frame? Frame data, it's called, my bad. Well, whatever reference or thing you want to use for it, but anyways. Ratios. I might use a DQ on all of these actually when I think about it. Then we're just gonna do a ratio dot, what is provided? Does this exist? Well, it doesn't complain. Full ratios, what are these things? Are they come in here, these things. Great, we're gonna use those like that, bam. Now, we're gonna go for each of these. And I'm just gonna, what do they just call it R. I'm gonna call it ratio. But that's not how you do it. And then ratios push back ratio, and then you're gonna have this. I'm gonna make it a var. Okay, I have to see. Wait, what the fuck? Wait. Whatever. It's gonna be implicit, the return error. It's gonna come from here anyways. I don't really need to worry about that. Use functor identifier ratios. Right, that's good. That's true. But in the init we do not have any we don't have ratios, so there's no point for that. Then we are trying to do this, which we do not have either. So what I will have to do, I have to take in the bro, what the fuck? Or I could actually just no, because we're gonna have it dynamic. So I'm gonna take in an allocator. Nice. Bleh. Mem allocator. And with that, now we could do I can actually use the same name as from here, doesn't matter. My bam. Okay, but that matters. Fuck, wrong button. Ratios is equal to that init capacity. You pass in the allocator. Allocate, yes, perfect, allocator. And then we have full ratios len perfectly like so. We probably need const. Do I need a try? I think I need a try. There's an error at least. So I'm gonna put a try in. Like so. Then create pool. Unclear identifier, right? Because this is actually private. Okay. No, wait. I'm probably super stupid. Just so damn stupid. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, sometimes I don't know, bro. Where does max sets come from? Just exists. Well, that's great. There's no way. What the fuck does max sets come from? It is like max sets. No fuck's sake. Oh my god, no fucking way. They can't. Okay, it comes into the init. Okay, I have just renamed. Great. It was like, Jesus Christ. Apparently I don't take it. Wait, what? It's supposed to be the thing directly after the device. Initial sets. Max sets. Why did I call it initial? I think that's what they called it in the declaration up here. Yeah, they call it initial sets. Well, I guess I will call it max sets. Bruh. Alright, then we go through here, we do that. Probably need to do There's probably gonna be added a lot of tries and errors here, but we will get to those in a bit. Then grow it in the next allocation. Sets per pool, and this is this thing. For now, we're just gonna say const u32, and then ready pools push back new pool. And that's gonna be the same idea. We're gonna do a const, but this could actually be an array list, maybe, because now I just want to push back or add it ready pools, and this maybe full pools and full pools. No. We'll go with the pushback. We'll go with the pushback. Like so. It's equal to that init. I think this is wrong. Depending on what they do with it. Do they ever like... Yeah, because here... Now hold on. No. Do I even need any init capacity if I just do a pushback? Like, can I just... That's all I got. Do I need for a... Usually with the capacity to hold capacity elements, resulting capacity will equal capacity exactly the... Okay, and if I do a push... Here, add one item to the back to the queue, validate its element pointer if additional memory is needed. So I actually need to initialize the capacity. Ah, come on. Okay, what other things do we have? Actually, I'm gonna check GTP now. Intern. I actually got GPT for free for a month, so I took it. If I wanna use push back and pop back in Sig, what are my options? Array list? I swear to God, I just read the array list and they did not have... Okay, they have append. Oh, okay, pop would be the same. Okay, you could use that. Okay. Maybe that should actually be a smarter alternative, to be honest.
Yeah, the queue isn't very memory efficient, so you should probably use anything
Actually,
about
it seems to be because you can only do a capacity once, and then you have to deal with that capacity.
Yeah, okay.
But then again, you would have to know, and I don't. I want a dynamic, scalable thing, you know. So I cannot say that yes, it's gonna be there, you know. Kind of.
Right.
So we're gonna do it. This is the init, and then you pass allocate. Wait, what the fuck? Oh yeah, dot init goes like this. Then why does this one now use an std array list and still trying to get me to use a fucking Christ? Init capacity. No, there should be just an init with allocator without having to tell it. Am I stupid? Isn't there just a like init with just giving the allocator so it can dynamically understand what to do?
Allocator.
Yeah, for real. What the hell? No, there's a. I know there is. There is a init, but it's. Fuck. Okay. There is. S3 array has a normal allocator. I know it does. Items capacity clone from sliced. Because I need to give it the allocator somehow. Otherwise it does. Or do I? Is it only when I append that I pass the allocator? Really? So I just say dot empty, and then I just do ratios that append. Whoops. Okay. Okay. That's short. Weird.
He says weird.
This is weird, alright? Fuck this shit. I'm fuck, bro. And then we just say empty. Like so, and then here we don't have to do that, and then we just say. What the fuck? And then append the new pool. Bro, new pool also spelled incorrectly. Like so. And let's see, unused local. Yeah, I guess that could be unused. This will come now because we're gonna be returning this. Return, and we're gonna return this, and then we're gonna have full pools. We need to initialize the pool. No, it's just that empty. I really don't need to do anything there. Ratios. Which one is that's referring to? Brah. Oh my god. Sets per pool, it's gonna be equal to sets per pool. Ready pools, it's gonna be ready pools. And what is this ratios? Oh yeah, it's just we appended that, so we're also gonna take that. We probably have to do two sliced on these. Okay, I will see. I will soon get into some memory issues. Wait, what the I'm pretty sure we'll get some memory issues really soon. I know there's another one that's an issue, but yeah, we'll get to those real soon. Get pool. Create pool. Initialize the growable. Clear pools. This makes sense. What is that? Ah. Alright, we're gonna go 4, and then we're gonna have to have access to this cell. At this, it will pass in the thing itself, so we can access self dot ready pools. I'm gonna do it over here. We're gonna capture. That's not how we do it. And we're gonna say the pool, ready pool, ready pool. And then it's a VK reset pool. Oh my god. See, that's a reset pool. Probably need to try and check, but we have to do that. VKC that check. No, it's not that, it's just this. And then we're gonna have to do a try. Alright, then same full pools. Self that full pools. Full pool. Poll?
BRB, I gotta get some water.
Alright, good luck. I should drink some tea. And like that, and I'm gonna do a try. BK check. And so, and we also need to do a clarify this is from Vulkan C library, and then this to push back. Okay, that feels a bit odd. Cannot explain. That feels like you're just gonna be pushing back the same pool you already got that. But okay, that means we also need allocator. That feels so strange. But okay, I mean, it will just crash and go horribly wrong if this is wrong, so I don't, frankly. What the fuck? You push. Oh no, you push the ready pulls and then you create full pulls. Okay. Why not just. Okay. Clear. I don't know, is there clear and free? I mean, okay, whatever. Destroy pools. It's the same thing. You go through each ready pool, and you can call destroy instead of reset, and then you clear the ready ones, and then you do the same for the full. So it's basically what we just did, but slightly tweaked. We also take in the allocator, and we need to take in this as well. Bam, 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 fine, bam. The only difference is that we will have the ready pools, and then we will slightly tweak. VK destroy. Descriptor pool, like so, and then same for the full pools, like so. And we will not append, we will just destroy the device, the pool, and null pointer, because I don't have a custom allocator. And then we'll do this. Could actually remove these extra brackets there, but I ain't fancy like that. And then we'll just clear and destroy. Clear and free. Clear. Ready pool's gone. Full pool's gone. Then we do go on to the allocator. Gonna take all of these things. Also a comment apparently. Well, we are not gonna use that comment. Allocate. Get or create a pool to allocate from. Okay. Pool to use, sure. Const pool to use. This one will return what it's gonna be. So we're just gonna change the naming a little bit. Pool to use. We get that because in the device we're probably gonna be needing a reference to self. Self colon at this, and we're also gonna be needing an allocator, I assume, very much. No, we don't. So that feels odd. Oh, maybe we won't, who knows. And then this one is gonna have to be a variable. Brah. VL. C. And we're gonna do this and do that. This, put it up there, and then we're gonna do that. Another one of bam, bam, bam. And then we can. We actually don't need that because that will be automatic. BK, C. And this comes pull to use, gets passed in. Descriptor set count. Is that actually just supposed to be 1? Just statically 1? Okay. Layout, where does this layout come from? Okay, it's just a parameter. Good. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, p next. Wait, actually. P next is equal to next. Okay, that's why. P next is equal to p next. That's why. I was like, why would I do that? But okay, it's actually something passed in. Okay. Descriptor set. Yeah, variable vk.c. I'm actually gonna call it this. Actually, we're gonna change it. Find this or set this descriptor set. Yes. VK result, and then we have to do a try VK check. VK.c and this const. It's not a void. And then if try again. If result or oh yeah, that's true.
Well, I'll probably be going to the...
All right.
Yeah,
Good,
Jesus.
good night. See
You wanna play
Good
some
night.
Valheim?
Yeah, absolutely. For 0 seconds.
All right, well, load it up.
Okay, yeah, okay, I'm done playing now. Yeah, thank you. See you
You
later.
didn't even press that button, man.
No, I didn't.
See ya, man. We'll see
Can play some
tomorrow.
later. Well, see you later.
See ya.
And allocator pool to use. Get pool, allocate descriptor pool to use. And then it's just this. This is slightly. Wait, do I need to? I don't need to catch this. This is just a try. Right? Wait, hold on. Just compare. Slightly different though. So check descriptor sets, device, allocate info, and descriptor set. Yep, that's. And then push back. That's ready pools and allocate and pull to use. Yeah. That's crazy. Now, if I'm hoping that this thing won't run, because then I will actually have to figure out like how everything is connected. But I still need to connect this one for each and every frame data, so. I can already see a few issues here which needs to be solved. But I'm kind of letting them be there because I want it to crash so I can like actually see a bit of the flow. Like for example, I can just take one here. Ratios to return the own slice here. I think this will not work because I'm not doing it on the other ones, which they should also be. Okay, well this one should also have 2 own slices. I think so. They will run some problems there. I'm just letting it be, you know, fuck it. Now the thing is, in the side descriptors we have created this. Well, I created a new struct for it completely. It also works as a namespace. Then they talk about the descriptor rights, right? And they also do this in descriptor.h. I could do it in here, or I just put it in here with the struct and just let it be it's like a namespace used, because that works too. Basically what I'm trying to say is that's what I'm going to do. We need to create a descriptor set for our computer. We did it. Vulkan update descriptors manually, but this is really annoying to deal with, so that away too. In our right, we are going to have write images and write buffers functions to bind the data. Let's look at the structure and declaration also on the... Okay. Yep. A bit interesting. We're just gonna yoink this concept from here. Put it in at the bottom. I also would like to reorganize a lot of these functions. I don't even have a D in it. That's just sad.
Ooh, that's focus all about the init and forget the D.
Yeah, these nuts. Okay, I'm just gonna go with it. You know, why not? You know, const doesn't need to be public though. Or is this just like internal use? Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this for now. But if it needs to be public, I will change it to be public. Let's see. Vector DQ, I'll probably just go with the same old, you know. Array list. I think array list is pretty good. What we'll do is essentially just bam, bam. Whoa, not that. Bam, bam. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. What am I trying to do? Bam, bam. std array list there. This will be the type. bk.c.that. Boom, bam, 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 bam. Is equal to dot empty-s and then comma. Nice. Now we got those. Crazy. Descriptor image info, descriptor buffer info, descriptor write, descriptor set. Okay, this is... So wait, is this like an object or no, structure that just keeps track of all of them? Or like that's so it's a structure of arrays. I would rather have an array of structures. Although I guess those are structures as well anyways, but this feels a bit... You know what, I'm just gonna do what they do. I'm not gonna question it, and then it's gonna break and I'm gonna figure out a better way. Yeah, I will do that. I don't know, maybe it's a good way and I don't see it. Probably that's more likely. And then they show a little bit about the structure, that's okay. And then they take this function. I will also take that function. But what the fuck? So sorry. Yeah, I don't need this declared twice. I can just bam, because I'm not using C++. Pretty damn cool. Don't need to do that. It's just gonna be a function for now. We also need a init probably for this thing, otherwise this will not work. Or maybe it will, who knows. Anyways, gonna take the binding. Okay, now this is starting to make sense. Okay, write buffer, a binding, u32. Probably should be an i32 to be honest. I think they use integers for the actual we can see here descriptor set. Oh, it's a u32. Okay, well then we can use a u32. vk.c buffer t size, that's the equivalent to u size. Another t size, u size. Oh fuck. What else do we have? Descriptor set. Type. Descriptor. I'm actually gonna write it out. Or set type. bk.c.this. And that should be pretty much okay. Except for that they're using reference here, buffer and place back. Is that just C++ and place back? Inserts a new element at the end of the vector right after its current last element. This new element is constructed using args. So they create it, they push it. And does it also like return? Where's the function declaration of this thing here? Void. Wait, what? Because I'm wondering, like, why would you? Push back. In place back. So yeah. And then reference. Use reference to create object C++. What does it return? Okay, this is just if it's not, then it will do this. I forgot I read it the wrong way. I thought it was a print. Yeah, so it does oh no. Where's the return here? A reference to the inserted element. So you create the element and then you also insert it. Okay. I wonder. That's a rip bozo. You lost from Discord. Oh my god. How could this happen? Let me reconnect. Bro, I just realized my microphone is in the fucking way. Well. And I do a typo. Discord. But big. Pill. I do pills, I don't do kills. Rip bozo. It's okay. Sometimes we gotta be stupid so we can be smart. Let's see. Hello? How long was I gone? I didn't notice for shit.
Like maybe 5 minutes. Because
Okay.
I was like sitting there, I was like, wow, it got real quiet all of a sudden there, Lucas. And I was like, oh.
Lucas, why ain't you yapping?
Yeah, normally you're yapping.
Is there a sig? Even though I don't think this is actually like, I wouldn't even like to use it. I would still like to just create it, but let's see. Excellent question. Yeah, I feel like it does too much. Yeah, I would just use append. Use append with prebuilt value. And yeah. And you can still just access the last element if you wanted to. Or you could just create it and then append it. Both ways are fine. So. Okay, so place also returns the thing. Descriptor buffer info. Yeah. I'm just gonna create it normally. Or do I want it to be a variable? Do I need it to be a variable? Probably not.
I heard tuples are nice.
Fuck you.
Rip.
Descriptor right buffer info. I write pretty long names, but I like long names. I don't know. I'm a weirdo. And then we're gonna create that. We're gonna. Yeah. Take that over here. There's a lot of. Let's just, for the moment being, so we can easily focus on the ones that we actually need to focus on. Let's see, what's the issue? Expression return. Oh yeah, we need a return. What the fuck? Just a void? Yeah. No, one day I will actually be making a game. Okay, trust me, bro. One day I will actually be creating a game. I am. Okay. I'm gonna be creating a game one day. We need to take in an allocator here. Unless if you store it in the thing itself. Which might be actually quite nice. You could create an init and then you just store the allocator on the init and then you wouldn't have to be worried about these things actually. I think I will do it later. For now I'm just gonna make the assumption that we're gonna take in an allocator because it's easier to just remove this and just add the allocator and an init than later on going through all of this and adding an allocator then and well, it's not big to be honest which way you do it. But I feel like this is like more control and I can remove control if I need to remove control. But first I prefer to have, well, fuck, nothing I say makes sense to be honest right now. I'm just gonna shut the fuck up. And I also need access to self. Okay, we're gonna give access to self. Oh my god. Nothing is going my way. Oh my god. Just give me this, thanks. Allocator, std mem allocator. And now we'll have access to it over here. So now we can do buff self. Right, we need to change the name of those things. Damn it! That buff, I'm just gonna change it now. Buffer infos? Are they actually just the only infos? That's interesting. Why would you? Yeah, I actually don't know what you're doing anymore. Oh, will make sense soon enough. Copium. Append. Allocate. Why does it not have my LSP is fucked? Allocator. And then it's just gonna be the descriptor. Oh my fucking god. Is that it? Literally? Oh, did I not miss something there? Right buffer, they create the thing. Ah! Yeah, something I did. No, they actually. They append it there. Okay. Weird order, but we'll do it like that. And then descriptor set. And then this one can become a just as well. bk.c. Oh my god, get the damn dot in there. Oh my god. VK? Jesus. I should. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. VK.c. Structure type right descriptor set. That makes sense. These can actually get in here as well. Kind of weird that they're not. Yep. Left empty for now until we need. Left empty for now. We need to write it. Wait, left empty for now until we need to write it. Okay. And then this is not just called info. Well, I guess you could call it info. Wouldn't be too crazy, but and then we have the rights, which is actually self. That's right. And there's no pushback. Good. I was like, am I going crazy? Append. Allocator. Now it's there. And then the right. Why am I calling this one just right? Another one. Maybe I should just. Like, what else could this even mean? I don't even have another info struct in here, so I guess it's fine. Let's see what else is here. Descriptor set type. Unused. Well. Yeah, that's because it's Zig has its kind of like macro or type, so that's why. Okay. What the what? Ah, yeah, those are the other functions. Right. You have to fill Vega first with the buffer itself and then add offset size for it. Then we have to set up the write itself. It's only one descriptor at the given slot with the correct type and a point to the DK descriptor buffer info. We have created info by doing emplace back to the std queue, so it's fine to take pointer to it. The descriptor type that are allowed for the buffer are uniform storage, uniform buffer, dynamic. Yo, what's up, D-Chef? Wait, but for the buffer, these ones are the only variable types. I should probably do. I just look at this. I'm gonna do something. How the fuck do you do a How can I do asserts in League? I'm gonna do them, alright? I'm a professional. Debug assert. Okay. There. Invokes detectable illegal behavior when OK is false. What? In the bigger release, safe modes calls to this function are always generated and the unreachable statement triggers a panic. In release fast, release modes calls to this function are optimized away and it facts the optimizer is able to use the assertion its heuristics. Inside test block, it's best to use std test module rather than this function because this function may not detect a test failure in release fast. Okay, so wait, do I just put what I want it to be? That it has to be. Flashbang. I won't be on today because it's already late and I need to train. Alright, no worries. I should also be going to sleep.
No.
But we're on such a fire right now, copy pasting code. Nah. Basically what I want to do is to see that the you could. I'm trying to think if you could do this with and or operators. I just want to see that that thing is this, right? Hello, Magoo, Mr. Magoo. How are we doing today? Are we good? Are we doing good? I hope you are doing good. I'm doing good. Mr. T-Chef is doing good. Mr. Damon is doing great. Pig was here, left. How are you? Cough, noob cough. Why did you put an 8 there? I can't type law. That's crazy. Anyways, I'm currently reading about concurrency and parallelism in programming in the book, which is hidden away right now. But it's pretty fucking cool. And then I'm gonna be reading about the math stuff, and then I will get more into the engine stuff. And I don't know. I'm just hyped, yo. For fuck's sake, that's gonna be amazing. Okay, we're just gonna make the assumption that I know what I'm gonna do here, alright? Image right. Let's take this one. Translate it. How far are the textures? We're completely rewriting the descriptors, how they work. Wow, thank you, Mr. Magoo, who is the unlucky man with you. JK, very lucky. It's Mr. Damon.
Hey.
I don't have the Twitch pop-ups yet working. I should actually get those, but I think I need to fix it somehow. I need to fix it somehow. This is Vulkan on Watch OS. Holy shit, that's amazing. We need to put a fire and 100 there. But this is Mr. Damon. I'm leaking his profile. Now go troll him, right?
Oh
Yeah.
no! No!
He's the guy in the
That's
call with me. If you figure it out with the descriptor sets and pipeline, you got to show me your way, because this gets really hard. Yeah, I have done this every time I've done descriptor sets and pools. I'm always lost. Like, I feel like, because okay, every time I've done them, I have done a different tutorial or something which explains it in their own kind of way. And I think there's so many ways you can do how you want to handle it, right? Like, yes, it's basically accomplished the same thing, but every time I do follow something and read about them, everything is explained in a different way, every time. I'm like, what the I think you just have to, like, I don't know. I think you can just like, that's literally the point of because it's like the literal resources, like the shaders, the pipeline, how everything comes together, the layouts. And I guess that's kind of like everything is in a way messed around in that place. So that's when you actually have to define your architecture. How is it going to look? How it's going to be? How it's going to behave? And that's why it gets so damn confusing, because every person have their own implementation of it, kind of. Yeah, like everything depends on each other, the pipeline layout, everything. Yes. While, like, for example, a window, well, I guess you can get quite creative with that. And like mesh loading, yes, but the logical and physical device, like, they're always like kind of the same. Like, you do kind of the same stuff no matter what you do in what application you create. But the descriptor sets is just like, how do you want to manage it is the question. And then, I don't know, maybe you just need to do a lot of these to see like different way of managing them, right? I don't know, bro. Let's see. We're gonna do not that. We're also gonna rename this one. I just realized that this has a horrible naming. Right, buffer, B buffer. Yeah, Mr. Magoo, what do I want to call you, Mr. Mango? If you got any suggestions for the Twitch thingy, let me know. I don't know much what I could do, but I try to listen if somebody has anything that I should probably just enable those damn Twitch overlay things. I will do it by next stream. If you want, I will do that. Tell me about it, Damon. Tell me about it.
You want me to tell you about it?
Tell me about it.
Hold on. Where is it?
Oh my god. I joined the Discord and I put MiOS GitHub link in self-promotion. Ah, nice. Wait, let me. Wait, wrong. There. Oh my god. Been making my OS for about 2 months now. Work on graphics switch. Is it okay if I put it up on stream real quick and check it out?
Do it.
I'm just asking because if some people don't want to show their GitHub directly. Okay, nice, good. That was a fast response. That means that the Twitch stream is good. It's good. We're gonna have to go and do a little bit of a. Okay. Oh my god.
Just a bunch of assembly.
and Z. Oh my god.
What the heck am I even looking at? Stage 2?
Stage 2?
Oh, he's creating his own SDIO.
Is it x86?
Something smells sussy here.
You just need Q menu to run build this in build the main floppy image. Oh, here's the graphics. Okay, actually, like reading these things makes me also be like, oh my god, oh he.
Fix one-eyed tink.
Oh my god.
Something sus.
Oh, you
Sus.
little malloc. Like reading like for real like these things, it makes me like, oh, I just want to do this as well. To be honest, like this is so cool, and also it makes you really think like how things actually work. Oh my god, yo, I'm seeing a JSON library. Wait, sorry. You just need Qubit to run build this floppy. Start. Much better. Stop posting. Wait, what's happening? It's a mess. It is horribly insufficient and an amalgamation of different code and OS dev stuff. I mean, we just create something. We will get good eventually, right? Right? How do you have like access to like ensure we have a valid screen info? Okay, yeah, this answers the question. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah.
I don't know, man. I took a look. Looks pretty raw. Probably don't run for shit.
I mean, I just love C because it's so damn explicit. But also C is pretty excellent. But it's also so nice and concise.
As long as he calls it like a knockoff version of like Linux, like Plinix or Ginix or something like that.
Linux.
He'll be fine.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I haven't assembly code. I haven't, to be honest, like done much. I have only done 6502, but x86 I have read about it, but I haven't done stuff in it.
I don't know.
The graphics don't work at the moment. I am transitioning to VB mode. Graphics mode worked well though. Nice.
Maybe there's an intern in the mix here.
Intern strings? Let's see. You have Oh, okay. I thought you had implemented your own string structure. That was a close one. So you just implement the C standard library as well in your thing? I'll have to soon, but I write my own for most C headers. All but like 2. Okay. Lucas, check out if he's using JSONlib or made his own one. Wait, where do we see the JSON? Where did you see anything to do? Oh my god, to do with JSON? Why is my thing broke? Test JSON or like? Binary H? Yo. No, I think there was a folder with JSONlib, maybe it's like in tools? Where do you see tools? Other tools. Huh. Main, disk, fat. It's in kernel. Ah, there, bruh. Ah, okay. Oh my god. That's so cool. Yeah, T-Chef is also working on a JSON. Well, what's it called? Both parser, but also like creator? I don't know. So this is like... Wait, do you have yeah. C, you call it CJSON. CJSON parse number. Uh-huh. Oh, that's awesome. Set value string. UTF, is this because of Windows? Maybe? Copyright Dave. Okay. So did you just take this? This is like not your own, or? No judgment. I just want to know if you created this on your own. I'm getting kind of tired. Yeah. Yeah. I will just get back to this later. Yeah. I don't want to push it in a incompilable state, so I'm just gonna do this. Space-time start. And I'm just gonna see that it builds and runs. Everything is still fine. Nothing new really. But it's fine for now. I'm just gonna push this. We're getting somewhere. This one is not being used at all though, but that's fine. Git dot git dash add new, what should I say, call it, add a new descriptor. Way of managing descriptors. So yeah, so descriptive. There's so descriptive. 。 . 。  . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 . 。 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 .
There's so descriptive.
Good push. Good push. Alright, I'm gonna call that it. Nothing really much. I think it's just I'm getting a little bit more comfortable actually implementing this thing and seeing how it's gonna connect. But soon will be a texture, and then we'll have the camera, and I might switch the way we are loading objects and textures, because currently using OBJ load, tiny OBJ loader for the objects, but if we can get the GLTF, I think that would be better. We will see. Ideally would be to have the render like kind of like you could just choose which one you want to do. You just have to pass into the render then the thing, and it will be fine. Which well, that's maybe too. We'll get there. We'll get there one day. One day. But for the moment, this will be it. I know it's not much time, but I also got school, and I like to read books. And I'm having a math exam coming up. And I'm working on the
It's like
next
2 hours. You're good.
Yeah, I'm working on the next video also, and the next video, like, oh my god, it's gonna be so freaking fire, like, it's so great. I can't, I want it up, but it's not done yet. I need to cook a little bit more, well, a lot more, because I don't have much time to work on it each day, but I put at least like 1-2 hours a day on it as well, so it's slowly getting there, and it's gonna be so fucking good. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream. I will see you guys tomorrow again, as always. Bye bye, see you later, alligators.
Alligators.